one of the most important topic in science. So that is crop production and management. Student, the first question comes to our mind is crop. What are crops? So crops are nothing but the plants of same kind, so that are cultivated at one place on a large scale is called a crop. So some of the examples are cereals, vegetables, pulses and fruits. So if we grow the same type of crop in the piece of land on a large scale, it is called crop. Students, the ancient people were nomadic. They used to wander here and there in search of food and shelter. So they used to eat the raw fruits, vegetables and raw meat. So later they started cultivating the crops. So we, the human beings or the animals, we are dependent on plants for our food. And you studied that plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, the process known as photosynthesis. So we depend directly, we the human beings or animals, we directly depend or indirectly depend on plants for our food. So why food is essential? Food is essential for us to carry out the various functions. So one is digestion, respiration, excretion. So these are all some of the major functions of the food. So now, students, so India is a vast country. So the climatic conditions like temperature, humidity and rainfall, it varies from one place to another place. So in India, if it rains at one place, in some other parts it doesn't rain. So this season changes from one place to another place. So depending on the season, so we follow the different cropping patterns. So the different cropping patterns are mainly two types. So one is Kharif crop and the other one is rabi crops. So what are Kharif crops? Crops which are sown during the rainy season are called Kharif crop. So rainy season in India is from June to September. So examples are paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut, cotton, etc. And still many other crops are also grown during this rainy season. So the other type of crop is rabi crop. So these crops are grown during the winter season. So winter season in India is from October to March. So during this period, so what are the crops that are grown? So one is wheat, gram, peas, mustard, etc. That means still many other crops are also grown during this period. So now let us learn what are the basic agricultural practices. What are the basic agricultural practices? So one is preparation of soil, the other one is sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, so irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, storage. So these 7 basic practices must be followed while practicing the agriculture. So and these are to be followed one after the other. So after preparing the soil, we need to sow. Then add manure and the fertilizers. Later irrigation. So then we have to protect the crop from the weeds. Then we harvest the crops and then store it. So these are the different the different steps of agricultural in detail. So the first step is preparation of soil. So why do we prepare soil? So what is the importance of soil? What is there in the soil? So that we must understand first. Soil contains all the nutrients that is required for the plant growth. It contains minerals, it contains air. So whatever the dead or the waste leaves that has fallen, so it gets dried up and it has turned into humus. So everything is good for the plant. So even the dead organisms or the microbes that is die in the soil will turn into humus. So that can be absorbed by the roots, so which in turn helps in the growth of the plants. So preparation of soil. So what do you understand by the word or the term preparation of soil? So preparation of soil means making the soil loosen. So why do we make the soil loosen? See, is there any benefit or the advantages in making the soil loosen? So the first advantage is it helps the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. Students, the growth of root is very much important for the growth of the plant. So when the root grows healthier, so it can absorb much nutrients so that the plant can grow. So by making the soil loosen, so it helps to penetrate deep into the soil. Roots can grow deep into the soil. So the other advantage is it allows the roots to breathe easily. So roots can breathe easily. So some of the different gases that is essential for the plant growth are present in the soil. So it is absorbed by the roots and it helps in the growth of earthworms and other microbes that is present in the soil. When the soil is loosened, so the earthworm and other microbes will also grow in the soil. So these earthworms are called friend of a farmer. It helps in the growth of the plant. It further loosens the soil. So in turn, which helps the roots to absorb the essential nutrients. So these are some of the benefits or advantages of preparing the soil. So to prepare the soil, some of the agricultural equipments are very much important. So you might have seen students, so two bullock and a farmer. A farmer will be moving the bullock along with the T-shaped wooden or the iron plough. So he will be moving around the field, and some of the farmers use tractor to cultivate the land, and still many other equipments are there. So some of you or parents are farmers, and you students know it. What are the different tools or the equipments that you use in the agricultural land? So we will study in the next class. Let us study in the next class. So before that, so take some questions that are related to today's class. The first question, what are crops? Give example. Second one, list the different functions of food. Third one, what are Kharif and rabi crops? Give example. Fourth one, list out the different agricultural practices. And fifth one, what are the benefits of preparing the soil? These questions, students,